The CompTIA Student Success Kit. For the optimal CompTIA training experience, attend the official CompTIA training course that includes the CompTIA Student Success Kit and follows the SMART 12-day success plan. This kit is provided free of charge with CompTIA training delivered by Systems Master or can be purchased separately. If you thoroughly evaluate CompTIA training courses and services available today, you'll find that few deliver the comprehensive education that CompTIA intended. Trust CompTIA's official training courses and materials. Avoid CompTIA training that fails to meet your ROI expectations or cover the 7 CompTIA training exam prep key performance indicators. The CompTIA Student Success Kit is the only resource in the technical training industry that provides accurate, current, and comprehensive CompTIA study materials. Aligned with industry needs, it accelerates learning and retention on the official course, thoroughly preparing you for the CompTIA exam. This kit includes 3 systems to help you master the theory, professionally manage systems, refine your technical knowledge, ace the exam, and boost your career prospects. Don't just study, master the CompTIA training and exam with the CompTIA Student Success Kit. Start today and unlock your potential. Visit our website now to get started and stay connected for more tips and updates. Good luck on your journey to becoming CompTIA certified.